Hello, Parrots. How are you? I'm good. I hope you all are as well. I wonder if any of you did some of that rainbow writing yesterday. I'd love to see some photographs if you did. And well done if you did. If you didn't, have a go. It's really good fun to do as well. So today, Ibby wanted to remind us that you've got some great links to some fantastic sites for playing music. I hope some of you have had a go at these. If not, have a look. You can have some fun. And on one of the sites, I know it talks about having instruments from things at home, like wooden spoons and saucepans, all kinds of different things that you can make a noise with. So I thought, why not have a go at making our own shaker? It's really simple. You've probably got everything you need at home for that. So let's have a look. What we need, first of all, what I'm using today is the inside roll from a kitchen towel. I could decorate it. So if you get one, you can decorate it. You can colour it with all kinds of different things. You could cover it with glue and stick things on it like sequins or glitter. So I've got this tube and I've got two pieces of, this is baking parchment, but any thin paper will do. You'll see why in a minute. And I've also got some rice. Do you like my glass? It's spotty. So the first, and you also need some sellotape. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put one of these pieces of paper around the bottom of the tube. Now, you might need your grown-up to help you scrunch it around. And then I'm going to get the sellotape and put sellotape around it to keep the paper in place. See? And I'll probably put a little bit more around just to make it secure. And put it all the way around the bottom. And there we are. So that's one end completely filled. And I'm going to take my rice and pour the rice into there. And now I just have to put the next and the last piece of paper around it. So that's there like that. That's there like that. And that is there like that. And there we are. Really simple, really quick. You need to make sure that you put the sellotape round to keep it on secure. I've just done it really quickly here to show you. But now, I'll make a rattling sound. It sounds a bit, if you listen carefully, like rain if you do it gently. Now, a rain stick is another thing altogether, and we can have a go at doing one of those another day. But in the meantime, why don't you make yourself a shaker? Do make sure that you seal this up properly. I haven't, but you'll need to put lots of tape around the bottom to make sure it doesn't come out. Have a go, see what you can make. And if you do manage to make one and you can play it, take a little video and let me see. Have a great day.